So in the previous class we had already discussed about the calculate the molecular mass or the atomic mass, and also to calculate the formula unit mass of compound. So now in this class we will discuss about the mole concept. So to understand the mole concept, we will take an example of reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. Using that example, we will try to understand what is mole and why the mole concept is introduced. So we will take the example of water. So we know that hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water, but here you had studied in the previous class that we are balancing the equation. So you can see here the equation is not balanced. So we will balance the equation as, so now you can see this equation is balanced. So this, by seeing that reaction, you can say that two molecules of hydrogen, this is our hydrogen molecule, this is our oxygen molecule, this is our water molecule. So from this reaction you can say that hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, but you can say that two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen to give two molecules of water. So here two molecules of hydrogen combine with, nothing is there, means one molecules of oxygen to give two molecules of water. Or in other words, now you also already learned to calculate the molecular mass. So you can calculate the molecular mass here. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1U. So for H2, 1 into 2 it is 2U, and then it is, after balancing, it is 2H2. So 2 into 2U it is 4 unit. Oxygen atomic mass is 16 unit. Here O2 is there, molecule. So here it is 32 unit. So 4U of hydrogen molecules combine with the 32U of oxygen molecules to form, here also you can find out the molecular mass of H2O. S2 is H2O, this is our 18. So since 2 H2O, so it is 36. So 4U of hydrogen combines with 30U of oxygen molecules to give 36U of water molecules. So here also you can see that 4U plus 32U, it gives the 36U. So 4U of hydrogen molecules combines with the 32U of oxygen molecules to give 36 unit of water molecules. So from this equation we can identify that the quantity of a substance can be characterized by its mass or the number of molecules, but a chemical reaction directly indicates the number of atoms or molecules taking part in the reaction. The number of atoms or the molecules which are taking part in the reaction, that can be indicated directly in the chemical reaction. So it is more convenient to refer to the quantity of a substance in terms of number of its molecules or atoms. So that is why new unit mole was introduced. So for that only a new unit was introduced, that is called mole. So to refer to the quantity of a substance in terms of the number of its molecules or atoms, a new unit was introduced, that is called mole. So now here also I will give you one example. Suppose you are going to buy 1 dozen apples. So how many apples you are getting? 12. 1 dozen pineapple, that means 12 pineapple. So similarly, if I will tell you that 1 dozen is a fixed quantity, 1 dozen banana means you will get 12 bananas. So you are getting 12 bananas, 12 apples, 12 pineapples, all are 1 dozen. That is 1 dozen equal to 12 number of the substance, that is the fixed quantity. But is the mass of the or weight of the pineapple, banana and apple is same? No. So 1 dozen indicates 12 numbers. Okay, so but it doesn't mean that the weight of the substance is also same. We are taking 1 dozen banana equal to 12 bananas, 1 dozen pineapple means 12 pineapples. So 1 gross means 144 number. So that is a fixed quantity for dozen. For gross it is a fixed quantity. Similarly for mole we got a fixed quantity, experimentally obtained value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 in number. So 1 mole of any substance that is fixed like dozen or gross. So 1 mole of any substance is with a value 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this is an experimentally obtained value. This number is called Avogadro number because it is introduced by Avogadro. So it is known as Avogadro number. or represented by N0. So like 1 dozen banana equal to 12 bananas, 1 dozen apple equal to 12 apples, but it is not fixed that the 12 bananas and the 12 apple masses also will be same. It might be less or more. The quantity is same, that 1 dozen equal to 12 number, that is fixed, but the masses will be different. 1 dozen banana equal to 12 bananas and 12 apples, their masses will not be same. Similarly here 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 Avogadro number. This quantity is fixed. 1 mole of hydrogen equal to this much atoms of hydrogen. 1 mole of oxygen equal to this much atom of oxygen. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen, or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. But it doesn't mean that both their masses will be equal. So here 1 mole of hydrogen, its mass equal to 1 gram, and here it is 16 gram, because we had already calculated the atomic mass of the hydrogen, or molecular mass, which we had calculated. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U, that is 1 gram, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U, we had calculated, that is 16 gram. So here now it can be called as molar mass. Here it is known as molar mass. Molar mass is nothing at the atomic or molecular mass represented in form of moles. The atomic mass or the molecular mass, when it is represented in form of moles, that is known as molar mass. So it will be different for different elements. The quantity may be fixed. 1 mole of carbon equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon, but its mass is 12 grams of carbon atoms, because its atomic mass unit is 12 U. 1 mole of carbon, we can write 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon, but its mass will be 12 gram, because its atomic mass unit of carbon is 12 U. So masses will be different, but the quantity is fixed, like Avogadro quantity or Avogadro number. So that is fixed, but the masses will be different depending upon the elements and their atomic masses. Depending on the atomic masses of the elements, atomic masses of the elements, the masses will be different. Like carbon atomic mass is 12 U, so its molar mass is 12 gram. Molar mass means when the atomic mass or molecular mass is represented in terms of molar mass. That means we can write U equal to G. Only the unit differs. In case of atomic mass or molecular mass, we are writing the unit U. In case of molar mass, we are writing the unit G. So U equal to G when atomic mass or molecular mass is represented in terms of molar mass, it is written as G. For example, if we will take water, so water we had calculated the molecular mass before, that is 18 U. So from here we can say that 18 U water, that has only 1 molecule of water, but 18 gram water has 1 mole molecules of water. So we can write as 18 U means 1 molecule of water, but 18 gram means, so 18 gram means 1 mole molecules of water. The difference between U and G, atomic mass or molecular mass and molar mass, is 18 U. The atomic mass represents the 18 U, it indicates the 1 molecule of water, but 18 gram is molar mass, indicates 1 mole molecules of water. 1 mole is the fixed quantity, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. So 1 mole means this much molecules of water. So 18 gram indicates 1 mole molecules of water. 1 mole molecules indicate 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. So we can say that 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number, that means relative mass in grams. So 1 molecule equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number, which is relative mass in grams. So this number is known as Avogadro number, named in the honor of Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro. He gave this quantity. So it is known as Avogadro number and represented by N0, Avogadro number. and the word mole, it was introduced around 1896 by Wilhelm Ostwald, who derived the term from the Latin word moles. Latin word moles meaning heap or pile. So using these moles and molecular mass and the atomic mass, we will calculate so many we will find out so many examples, like calculate the number of moles from the masses or mole from the number of particles. So we will discuss all the examples. So till then you read this mole concept. Next class we will discuss the examples, how to solve various problems using this.